The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is sleeker, smarter, and quieter than ever, literally and figuratively. From fresh design tweaks to updated tech, it's clear Tesla isn't slowing down. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down what makes the latest Model 3 a standout in the ever-growing EV crowd. Design. Tesla has sharpened the Model 3's look for 2026. The front end is smoother with slimmer LED headlights and a more aerodynamic profile, giving it a cleaner, more futuristic feel. Inside, it's even more minimalist, no stalks, no buttons, just a sleek dash, a redesigned steering wheel, ambient lighting, and top-tier materials throughout. It's modern, but with better build quality than early Tesla models. Performance. Performance is punchy as ever. The dual-motor AWD version launches from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, while even the base rear-wheel drive model feels quick and responsive. Tesla's updated suspension and better sound insulation make for a much smoother, quieter drive, especially on long trips. And as always, range impresses, getting up to 390 miles depending on the trim. Features and technology. Tech continues to be a Tesla strength. You get the massive center touchscreen with updated UI, improved voice controls, and standard Autopilot. The 2026 version also includes Tesla's new HD radar, better cameras, and enhanced self-driving hardware. OTA updates keep improving the experience even after you buy. Conclusion. The 2026 Model 3 brings refinement to Tesla's best-selling EV, cleaner looks, better comfort, and smarter tech. It's still futuristic, just more polished. So what do you think? Is this the best electric sedan under $50K? Tell us in the comments, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more smart car coverage, new every week.